This is Banjo, and today I'm going over to add custom signs to your missions in ARMA 3. In the example, we have two signs and two user textures. We'd find these in side empty, class, object helpers, unit, user texture. We'd use these user textures to place the given texture into the world and then overlay it onto a sign, giving the appearance of a custom sign. We could find the custom sign in side empty, class, object signs, and we'd pick the sign we want. In this case, we're just using basic sign. Now that the sign objects and the user textures that are going to be used in this example have been placed, we can delete the third one since I'm not using that in this example. Next, we have to name the signs, since the sign's name will be used and referenced in the scripting commands that are listed inside the initialization field of the user texture. Inside this initialization field for the user texture, we could see the setObjectTexture command being called, assigning sign.paa onto this sign, as well as the attachTo command being called, attaching the user texture onto the sign. It's important that in the attachTo command, the correct unit name is given, in this case sign. And it's also important that in the setObjectTexture command, the proper texture file is listed, in this case sign.paa. Having a look inside the second example, we could see the differences being the different unit name, in this case sign2, as well as a different file format for the file image itself, being JPEG. While this does work, you don't have transparency as you do with PAA. This will be displayed in the example once I'm in game. One last point to remember is the actual location you're placing the images. Be sure to place them into the mission folder of the specific mission you're editing. In this case, we could see it's Custom Signs Example Mission. Getting in game, we're able to see the image on the right using a PAA file format has its transparency in the background of the test image, whereas the image on the left has JPEG file format, so its transparency isn't visible, being just a white background. I'll leave the example mission in the video description.